Come on.
Never waste no time, never let you go. I'ma be like Usher, give it to you nice and slow. All the girls around the world got nothing on you. You know you got it, girl. You got it. I want you to follow me, follow me, follow me.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. If you didn't know, I do call my subscribers kings and queens because they are royalty and they should be treated as none other than such. Point blank, period. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed to this channel, because you're not going to want to miss the tea that's coming up, sis. You're not going to want to miss it. So go ahead and subscribe, hit that like button already, and let's get into the video. So I'm coming at you guys with a Ula Hair review. Thank you so much to Ula Hair for kindly sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful wig. I love to see it. This is a Mongolian kinky curly wig that they sent me. All the inches and stuff like that, I think it was 18 inches, but all of the specs and stuff will be on the screen for you guys to check out and in the description box as well. If you guys want to continue watching and see how I install this wig from literally start to finish, so I had the ball cap method, me gluing it down, all of that, doing the edges, everything. If y'all want to see that, then y'all just keep on watching this video. So we of course are starting off with what came into the Ula Hair bag, the instructions, a nice little rat tail comb, some butterfly clips, I think. Yeah, there we go. And then like the little straps that I really rarely ever use. And then of course the main event, the beautiful wig. Y'all, look at them curls. Yes. I always start off by cleaning off my forehead with 91% alcohol, just for the best application. Just make sure your forehead is clean, no makeup, no nothing. Here I'm just showing you guys what the hair looks like as far as the plucking. I already customized it and everything by bleaching the knots and stuff, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put sew a strap onto the back at the nape of the neck of the wig. And also I just wanted to show you guys up close really quick what it looks like all tinted in the lace. You can use either the even tinted lace. I used medium dark brown, but I also did use foundation as well, the Black Radiance foundation in the shade Cashmere. Alright y'all, so I'm pretty sure y'all have seen many videos on how to do the stocking cap method or the ball cap method, whatever. We're not gonna put this thing over my eyeballs. I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I just make sure that it's covered over my ears, of course, and then we're just gonna start spraying on the forehead. And quick tip, I do use hot air instead of cool air. I know a lot of people say to always use cool air, but hot air dries so much faster. So I use the hot blow dryer. And then of course I made sure to cut my ears out so that it can stick better on the sideburns area. So yeah, you'll see that later on. Alright you guys, so now we are going in with a nice pair of shear scissors. I would highly recommend you getting very nice scissors for this part. Like kitchen scissors, paper scissors will not do, because it's just going to make this part a lot harder for you. So what makes this cutting of the cap easy is if you have really nice scissors. So just go to the beauty supply store, get you a nice pair, one pair sis, it'll do. And that way you can get really precise on those excess pieces that I'm just easily cutting off right here, as you can see. So yeah, that's a big tip, just to get some really nice pair of shear scissors or hair scissors in general. The same foundation that we use on the lace, I'm just buffing it into my cap. This is what's going to help make it look like an actual bald cap. So make sure you put it on the edge of the lace, on the edge of the cap, and also on your skin, and that's what gives it that seamless bald cap look. Alright, here I'm just showing you guys that I do use the Got To Be Glue gel on the perimeter of my stocking cap, on my, like, where my skin is touching, and also the edge of the cap. I use that, and I put the blow dryer on hot setting, and I literally just use like the end of a rat tail comb, and I press the excess cap that are kind of like, you know, still flapping up a little bit. I press it down into the gel and on my skin, so it's like a completely seamless look, as far as, like, you know, you can't tell you can't tell the cap from the skin. Now we're just going in and applying this wig. Y'all, I freaking love this hair. As you can see, the skin matches very, very nicely with you know, the lace and everything. And this is the brown lace, so it's not the transparent, but it really does look transparent. So yeah, I'm just making sure that I'm cutting it precisely around my ears, because you do not want that uncomfortable fit around your ears, ladies and gents. So yeah, just do that for both your ears and sideburns and everything. And as you guys can see, I did go ahead and use bold hold for this wig install. Yes, I used a broken comb. It's okay. I didn't have no popsicle sticks, so I had to do what I had to do. But yeah, just smoothing that out, and I will be doing 3 layers for each section that I'm gluing down. So yeah, I mean, honestly, this is kind of going to be a sped up part. So it's just applying the glue, spreading it out till it's nice and thin, and then blow drying it on the hot setting. And I do it literally 3 times for each section, so I did it like 9 times. So right here, I'm just separating some edges out so that I can go ahead and have them out already and cut them all nice and short, because we don't do long baby hairs for when I just like melt the lace into my skin with the head wrap. All right, you guys, so real quick, I am about to go ahead and like make sure that my, basically kind of like make sure that my lace gets all like, you know, melted in, and that my baby hairs that I kind of like separated out already, like so. I kind of separated the baby hairs out already. I'm gonna make sure that they're laying, you know, forward. I'm gonna be using my MISFIT Collections head wrap scarf, y'all. This is another black owned hair brand. This has nothing to do with Ula Hair, but I am going to be doing a MISFIT Collections hair review for my next wig install. So yeah, I just had to use their head wrap because Ula Hair didn't provide me a head wrap, so I'm going to use MISFIT Collections. Make sure you guys check them out in my description box because I will be doing a hair review with MISFIT Collections. Wonderful hair brand, wonderful woman, black owned, period. I'm just going to go ahead and tie this around my edges, make sure that the edges are the only thing that's like laying forward. I'm just gonna let my edges do its thing and make sure that it, like, you know, gets flattened onto my head, like the edges, all of that. Basically trying to get this thing melted into the skin, period. I don't want to see any glue. I'm probably gonna do this for like, what, 30 minutes or so, just walk around the house. All right guys, so I'm gonna take off this wrap. So yeah, so sorry you guys for my camera literally dying. I couldn't wait. I was waiting for my battery to charge and everything, so I just continued. All I did was cut the lace off with a razor, and what you see right now is literally me after I let my charger, you know, charge up for my battery. I literally just took the Got to Be Glue's freeze spray and all the excess pieces that were flapping up from after I, you know, cut the lace. I just tacked it down. But I just want y'all to get into like the seamless blend of, like, I mean, it ain't seamless, like, girl, if you looked really closely, you'd be like, that's lace, but it looks like it's coming from out of my head. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like right now without laying my baby hairs. It's actually pretty blended into my skin. Of course, like, I have some of the Got to Be Glue spray like kind of dried up right here, so I'm gonna take that off with like rubbing alcohol. That's after I let it sit, and after I also flatten out the top. I got my hot comb, and I'm gonna make sure that I like get this top, you know, nice and flat and not have it sitting like a hat. So flatten that out, and then also gonna be going in with my hair care stick, any wax stick that you have, to just like, you know, press out the top. This actually looks very nice and blended into my skin. Like, do y'all see that? Very good foundation match. Just make sure that you have like a really good foundation match for your installs and you should have no problem. So as I mentioned, I'm just going in with the hot comb, so just make sure that, you know, you flatten out all the areas that are bumpy or just a little too lumpy. I did not do straight back braids, so my head was kind of lumpy at the top, so I just made sure to hit those areas, and then I used the care stick. It smells really good, by the way, so I definitely recommend. And just look at how full and luscious the back of my head is. I did make sure to sit for an additional 30 minutes so that the lace can be nice. I'm gonna go in with my Arcani Coil Care. This is like a palm, like a harder edge control. It's not as like, it's not gonna leave my hair as crispy and crunchy though, like the Got to Be. This is called the Arcani Coil Care and Broad Edges. Now I am going in with the edge control, or just fixing up my edges because they're looking kind of crazy right now. But yeah, just make sure you cut any excess long pieces. But at this point, like, the lace was like really like settled into my skin, so yeah, I just cut off excess hairs, and then I just did my little swoop baby hairs. Since then, I actually changed the way my baby hairs look and cut more lace, but still it looked pretty good. And yeah, like, that's how I basically finished out the hairstyle. And then I just made sure to blow dry again to make sure everything was just stuck to my head and wasn't going anywhere. Alright guys, so that is this install. I am going to go ahead and set it with the wrap again, and then come back later to show you guys what it looks like for the final product. I will be right. So this is the finished product of me waking up in the morning. I did my makeup a little bit and then let my lace sit like overnight. Do y'all see? Ooh baby. Honestly, all I did really was just like make sure my edges were set last night, and then I kind of set them this way with the little wrap so that it wouldn't have, like, you know, any of the glue and stuff like that showing. Like, I'm loving this look, y'all. This is my birthday hair. I feel so, like, I just feel like this is my natural hair. Like, what? I mean, obviously it's a wig, but I just feel like it's my natural hair, and I'm just out here slaying the game. Like, look at my edges here, guys. Like, they do not look bad at all. I think that the wig is honestly just really beautiful. Minimal shedding for this hair as well. All I use in it is water spray bottle, and then to get like the curls activated and stuff like that, I will use my Lotta Body mousse. So if y'all liked this video, give me a big fat thumbs up. I cannot wait to you know, provide y'all more content, more videos just for you guys. Leave some comments down below on what you guys want to see on my channel. I will go ahead and provide that for y'all. Y'all do not forget to follow me on my Instagram, because I will be posting all the pictures in this hair, everything. If y'all want to get cute outfit inspos, definitely follow me on Instagram. I will have it on the screen, and I'll have it in the description box down below. Show me some love, I will show you love back. Thank you all so much for watching this hair review. Big shout out to Ula Hair for sending me this wonderful wig. I love it so much. I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Peace out. Bye.